Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So I am going to try to keep this as short and as sweet as possible for you all. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's been a lot of talk going around saying that it's not really worth it to upgrade this year to the new S25 Ultra because it's not really that much of an upgrade when you compare it to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which it's probably true. If you have a Galaxy S24 Ultra, you may not need to upgrade this year to the Galaxy S25 Ultra because the S24 Ultra is still a beast of a phone. It's still a powerful device. It's going to take care of everything that you need it to. It is still a great device. But you know what? Not everybody has a Galaxy S24 Ultra. Some of us are stuck on older devices, much older devices, whether it's a 3-year-old device, 4-year, 5-year, and so on. And so this video right here is not for all of you who have an S24 Ultra. Maybe you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra or maybe even something older than that. And maybe you've been kind of thinking about upgrading to the new S25 Ultra. Is it time to finally upgrade, especially if you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra? Now, instead of you making you wait till the end of the video to give you my answer, I'll just tell you right now, right off the bat, to be completely honest with you guys, in my own personal opinion, I definitely think that it is worth it to upgrade from the Galaxy S22 Ultra over to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'll tell you that right now. And the reason is the Galaxy S25 Ultra is just a better overall device in pretty much every single way possible, except for one way. And I'm pretty sure you all know where I am going with this. And yes, that does have to do with the S Pen. I mean, we all already know what's going on with the S Pen. Samsung decided to take away that Bluetooth integration with the S25 Ultra. Well, with the S22 Ultra, yes, we still have that. But aside from the Bluetooth integration here on the S Pen with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, when it comes to the S25 Ultra right here, I mean, first of all, definitely a more premium looking, more premium feeling device. It's going to be more durable because of the materials used to make this device right here. Definitely a better display, absolutely beautiful looking display. And don't get me wrong, the display on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is still a beautiful display. Still gets nice and bright. The colors still look nice and vibrant. I mean, it's got that clarity when watching content. It's still a beautiful looking device. But I will say when it comes to things like watching content or playing games, it is definitely more enjoyable here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, especially because now it is a flat display. We're getting thinner bezels. You're just getting more of that full screen experience. So definitely a better experience when it comes to just flat out just watching content and playing games and just using the device overall in general. Now, both phones do have that in-display fingerprint sensor. I will say that it is updated just a little bit more on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I wouldn't say it's that big of an upgrade as far as when it comes to speed because they both pretty much almost unlock about the same speed. I would say the Galaxy S25 Ultra does unlock just a little bit faster, but the S22 Ultra is still pretty good when it comes to that in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, you will notice that both devices kind of have a pretty similar look in the back when it comes to the camera setups, but there is a difference in the actual shape of the device. As you can see, of course, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it is more of that candy bar squared off look on the edges, while with the Galaxy S25 Ultra right here, we're getting more rounded corners this time around, which I will say does feel better in the hand. You know, you don't have those pointy corners that are just digging into your palm, which honestly, I still love this squared off look of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I mean, it just takes me back to the Note days. You know, we all know what happened with that. Samsung took away the Note series from us and just, you know, put it into the S line and gave it to us with the Ultra, you know, series of the Galaxy S line. And, you know, this is, this takes you back. This takes you back many years, but Samsung finally decided to get rid of those, you know, boxy corners and give us a more rounded off edge. But I gotta say, I gotta be honest, it's beautiful. And you know, with beautiful devices like these, of course, you've got to take care of them. So why not pick up a case from our sponsor of today's video, Dbrand. Now look at this. So in the back of my Galaxy S22 Ultra right here, I actually have a Dbrand skin because my S22 Ultra is busted in the back. If you saw, what was it, my 2-year later review video that I made with this device some time ago, I did show how cracked this device was, but luckily I had a Dbrand skin that was able to just hide all of that. So I mean, Dbrand skins aren't just good for, you know, styling up your device. They're also good for hiding your broken device in the back. But when it comes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, once you do upgrade to this device, you're definitely going to want to protect your expensive investment. Pick yourself up a grip case. I mean, I've done many drop tests here on the channel with this grip case, including with the Galaxy S25 Ultra right here. and the device still came out looking like new. Definitely some great protection when it comes to the grip case. And it's in the name, it's gonna provide you great grip all the way around the case. And not only that, but when it comes to the back of the case, you also get to switch up the look whenever you want simply by just taking off the existing skin and reapplying a new one. They got tons of skins to choose from on their website, but maybe you're looking for a good clear case. Well, why not pick up the best clear case that you can get, the Ghost Case 2.0, and it looks great on this device. It's going to still provide you some great grip all the way around the case with that great texture. But when it comes to the back of the case, you're getting a clear case that will not yellow on you. And if for whatever reason it does or something happens, dbrand will replace it for you with a new one, and it's still going to provide your device some great protection. So if you want to pick up a Ghost Case, a dbrand grip case, or just a skin for your new Galaxy S25 Ultra, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. But now going into the devices themselves, when it comes to overall performance, I mean, it's a no-brainer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, of course, it is the newer device. It's coming with that newer Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's gonna perform better than your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, still a great phone, still performs pretty good for being, you know, a 3-year-old device. It's still performing good, but I will say there have been little moments here and there where, you know, I've kind of had some stuttering going on, some latency when, you know, going into certain apps or using certain apps. And the Galaxy S25 Ultra just handles everything like a beast right now. I mean, whether it's just scrolling through the device, you know, using different apps, editing, you know, 4K video, gaming. I mean, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for Galaxy in this S25 Ultra, I mean, it is just handling business. So, I mean, overall, it's just the better device when it comes to performance, when it comes to looks, when it comes to that in-display fingerprint sensor, when it comes to the cameras. You're definitely getting a camera upgrade with the cameras here on the S25 Ultra, definitely getting some better battery life. I believe the battery size on the S22 Ultra is still 5,000 milliamps. I really can't remember, to be honest. Remind me down in the comment sections below in case I am wrong, but we're still getting a 5,000 milliamp battery with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But the way they have optimized it with that Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, I mean, it has this device running all day long. I have been getting great battery life here on the S25 Ultra. So great battery life as well, better speakers when watching content. Again, a better display, just a better overall device. You're getting all of the AI features that Samsung has to offer right now. Yeah, some of them may be gimmicky, but there's actually a lot of useful ones as well that you're not getting in the S22 Ultra. So, like I said, just to keep this as short and as sweet as possible, when it comes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you're definitely getting the better device over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if you've kind of been on the edge of, you know, should I upgrade or should I not, you know, since Samsung has come out finally with their new device, I say go for it. But if you are planning on trying to use the existing S Pen on your S22 Ultra with the S25 Ultra right here, it's not going to work. Sorry to break it to you, it will not work. So unfortunately, that is the one cool feature that you will have to give up, you know, trading over from the S22 Ultra over to the S25 Ultra. But like I said, aside from that, the S25 Ultra is just the better overall device when you compare it to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, how is it treating you? How is it still running for you? Like I said, for me, it's still running good, other than, you know, little things here and there that make me say, okay, yeah, maybe it is time to upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is also future-proofed for the next 7 years. So they are offering up to 7 years of updates for this device right here. So you're kind of running out of time with the S22 Ultra when it comes to updates and making sure your device is nice and secure. So maybe it is time to upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra and get up to those 7 years of updates. So, you know, you don't have to worry about, you know, upgrading, you know, after 3 years, after 4 years, or even after 5 years. You'll still be good for quite some time with the S25 Ultra right here. But again, leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If there's anything you want answered, I know I said I was trying to keep this short and sweet, so I'm not going fully into detail with everything, but just some quick thoughts when it comes to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you know, versus the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And of course, if you have anything older than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then it's definitely a time to upgrade to the new S25 Ultra. But again, if you have an S24 Ultra, this video is not for you. I already know, you already know. But again, leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace.